the long handles in, so we're going to go through and drill those out on all the drawers. We're going to do one in each except for in the kitchen. We're going to do 2 on the one by the sink.
Look how nice these are. These ones actually came with multiple lengths of screws though, so that's nice. Which one are we using? Do you remember?
We're using 1.57.
1.57. So that's nice. We went through and actually we don't have that many drawers or fake drawers. We actually have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And we went around and marked those already. So these ones we got to mark with 2 holes, and we ended up just going to Menards again and purchasing a little, what do you want to call it?
It's like a bracketry template for doing the knobs and
I'll
stuff.
show you guys real quick.
Yeah, go get it.
Don't mind our messy house, but it's fine. Okay, this is it. So it has all the holes, and I have the paper or packaging over here. Hickory hardware, and it comes with all these center measurements, and it's 4 cabinets and drawers, so that's nice. Actually came in pretty handy. I don't know how handy it would have been like for these, probably not so handy. They do have smaller ones though, so maybe that would have been handier, but yeah, center mount. And that's that.
Alright guys, so same thing as the other ones. I'm using a 3/16 drill bit. I have my drill on, there's 2 settings on my wall, 1 and 2, I have it on 2 in the drill settings. Here we go.
So if you are doing one of these little fake cabinets, make sure you're not going all the way through to your sink. That would probably not be the greatest thing. So just be really careful. So here we decided that we needed to Dremel off some of the screw on these ones because the long ones were too long and the short screws were too short. This ended up only being on the fake drawers, so the drawers that are near our sink. You'll see us come back later after we Dremel those off and installed those handles on those fake drawers. Alright, let's try this one. Ooh.
They're hot. Alright, drill second one.
Not good. Maybe put the drawer in. Sure it's not on fire?
It's not.
What do you think, Winston?
Crazy stuff.
Mom or Dad? Mom and Dad. Just drilling holes in the cabinets, huh?
That's the right amount of thread that should be sticking in. These are hard to screw, so I'm gonna go get my solid.
Hear that?
I'll have to cut these with the bathroom ones, and then we can install them. I'll show you, I guess. So here's a link to, and the big one needs to be cut to like right there probably. So about there. Cut the rest of that off. As you can see, that's how much. Need like in between. So get them cut, and then we'll get them installed.
Alright guys, so Josh went ahead and got these guys installed. So like we said previously, he had to Dremel off about a fifth of the longest screw that we received with these. Again, we only had to do that with the drawers that are fake. So this drawer doesn't actually work. It, you know, our sink's behind that. We didn't have a problem, no screwing into the sink or anything, but we did have to trim off some of the nail. So if you have questions like, well, why didn't you have to trim them on the other ones, I'll show you that really quick. So, excuse me. On these, they actually have the back to the drawer. So there's the drawer, and then you have this front part. So with this, I don't know, what do you guys think that is? Inch, half inch? We did not need to screw off any. So that is the reason why we had to do it on the fake drawers and not the real drawers. So we just did it on those, that one, and then we have this one over here, which you already saw, and then we have the bathroom ones we got done, which look actually exactly like this. We didn't put two in the bathroom, we just put one in the bathroom because it's the same length as this drawer. So it looks great. I'll give you guys a quick walk around again of the finished project. We will link these knobs and handles down at the bottom. Just click on the link, it'll lead you right there if you guys are interested. We'll also link up the template for the cabinets that we use, and then maybe one that you can use for the cabinet doors as well. So let's do a little walk around.